For our Facebook group collab, or for our excellent start. Hey guys, this is Judy from Judinka Nail Art. Welcome back to my channel, and today I have another of my weekly nail art tutorial collab videos for you. This week I am the one who is hosting the Facebook group theme, and I've decided to do or go with bridal manicures. For most of the brides to be, May is one of the ideal months to get married, and I invited the ladies from our Facebook group to join me and show all of us what their ideal bridal manicure would be. So thank you so much to all of you who joined me for this collab. I already saw all the pictures and I absolutely love them. And of course guys, if you enjoy this type of videos and nail art tutorials, then don't forget to thumbs up my video. And also subscribe to me if you are new to my channel. If you just found me or maybe coming from the other channels, then welcome. And I do hope you will like what you see here. Alright, just another quick thing. In the month of May, I will be visiting my family in Europe. So you may see a decreased number of videos on my channel, but I am planning to go back to my regular schedule after we return from Europe. May will be so-so, but please still stay tuned, so make sure that you're subscribed. And yeah, I think that's it for my rambling. If you have any questions or comments, just leave them for me in the comment section. And of course, I will post all of the pictures that were created for this collab at the end of the video, together with the links in the description box. So once you are done watching my tutorial, please go over to the other ladies' channels and show them some love. I believe that's it guys, so thank you so much for being here today. Thank you so much for watching my video, and I will be back with some more soon. So thank you. Bye bye.